Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into a common question in the design world. Should you use Photoshop or Illustrator for logo design? Let's break it down in simple terms. When it comes to designing, we often work with two types of graphics, pixel-based and vector-based. In the pixel world, we have Photoshop. It's fantastic for working with photos and detailed images. However, when it comes to logos, Illustrator takes the spotlight because it operates in the realm of vector graphics. Now, what are vector graphics? Think of them as a set of instructions to create an image. They're like a recipe for your design, allowing for infinite scalability without losing quality. You can resize your design without it getting blurry, and that's a game changer, especially for logos. So, why is Illustrator the go-to for logos? Well, it's all about versatility and precision. Logos need to look good on various platforms and sizes. Illustrator's vector format ensures your logo stays sharp and clear, no matter where it's used. Plus, the editing capabilities are top-notch, making it easy to refine and modify your design. Now, don't get me wrong, Photoshop has its time to shine. If you're dealing with photos and intricate details, Photoshop is your go-to. In conclusion, Illustrator for logos and icons, Photoshop for photos and detailed images. It's all about choosing the right tool for the job. I hope this clears up the confusion.